Welcome to our comprehensive guide on basic English grammar for beginners. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about English grammar to get started with the language. English is a widely spoken language, and having a good understanding of its grammar is crucial for effective communication. Learning English grammar can be challenging, but with this comprehensive guide, we hope to make it easier for you. Let's start with the basics. English has 26 letters in its alphabet. It consists of 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonants. A sentence in English consists of a subject and a predicate. The subject is the person, place, or thing that the sentence is about, while the predicate describes what the subject is doing. Verbs are an essential part of the predicate. They describe the action or state of being of the subject. There are different tenses in English that describe the time when an action took place. The 3 most common tenses are past, present, and future. Nouns are another essential part of English grammar. They are words that describe people, places, things, or ideas. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, while adverbs describe verbs. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They make the sentence less repetitive and more concise. Lastly, conjunctions are words that connect sentences, phrases, or words together. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to some common grammar mistakes that beginners make. One of the most common mistakes is using the wrong verb tense. Another common mistake is using the wrong preposition. A third common mistake is using the wrong pronoun. Lastly, beginners often struggle with word order in English sentences. By avoiding these common mistakes and following the rules of English grammar, you can improve your communication skills and become a more confident speaker. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on basic English grammar for beginners. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Good luck with your language learning journey.